So now we'll discuss the top 10 soft skills which are required in your corporate life. So starting with first is the communication skills. Communication skills are the most important of all the soft skills required in your professional career. If you're not able to communicate well with others, it's difficult for the other people to communicate with you. There's difficulty in understanding, there is misinterpretation, there are misunderstandings. So communication plays a very important role in your corporate life. So communication doesn't mean only verbal communication. Both verbal and written communication play an important role. Nowadays we use email as a written mode of communication in professional life. So good writing skills are important for you to convey the message and the information to the recipient in a proper way, so that it gets your message gets translated exactly the way you want to translate to the receiver. The second most key important soft skill in your corporate life is self motivation. Employers like employees who are self motivated, who do not need much supervision, who have the zeal to work themselves, who are not dependent on their supervisors to give them tasks or anything, who are self motivated to work each day with a positive attitude. So self motivation plays an important role in your corporate life. You can demonstrate self motivation through positive attitude, then initiative, commitment, and ambition towards your work. So, leadership is a soft skill which you can show even if you are not directly leading a team. So, this soft skill is the most sought after soft skill, because those with strong leadership skills have the ability to influence others and lead the team to success. So leadership skills are very important in an individual. Even if you're not leading a team, even if you're a fresher, you can have that skills. You can showcase these skills through a positive attitude, initiative at workplace, commitment to your work, motivating others, influencing others for the growth of the team and the success of the project or anything like that, and delivering your 100% each day. So these are the skills which shape you up for a good leader in future. So leadership skills are very important soft skill in your corporate life. So the next key soft skill is responsibility. Responsibility is a highly valued soft skill, but it is not talked about that much as a soft skill. So responsibility means not only taking the ownership and the accountability of your goals, but thinking of the company's goals in a wider aspect and a broader view. It also means you are responsible and accountable for the failures which you go through. So responsibility is a concept which you are responsible for the good things and responsible and accountable for the things which led to the failure. So accepting that is a responsible thing, and it is measured as a trustworthiness, consciousness, decisiveness, motivation, discipline. So all these factors together form for the responsibility as a soft skill. So the next most important soft skill is teamwork. So while working in an organization, you might be working in a team. You might are put into a particular team wherein your individual as well as your team efforts are considered. So working individually is pretty easy. You know your tasks, you work according to your um, values, and you go by that. But while working in a team, you have to listen to others, you have to understand what others have to say, and you have to have a balance of when you need to give your suggestion, and understand when the other person needs that, as well as understanding how to become a good receptor and a good listener. So these are the two most important things while working in a team. So teamwork also consists of team bonding, team efforts, working towards a common goal. The intuition towards working towards a common goal should be always there while working into a team. You should always think of the like the results in from a team's point of view, not only just your self goals, you can say. So working in a team is very like entertaining and very like satisfying if you have these soft skills required. As well as while you work in a team, you come across different viewpoints. There might be clashes, but you have to sort it out and find a solution while you work in a team. So it's very important for you to have that balance of working in a good team culture. So good team bonding is important with the different members of the team. So yes, teamwork is a very important soft skill which you need to develop. So problem solving skill does not only comprise of analytical, critical or creative skills. It is comprised of a particular mindset, that is the mindset to solve the other problems of the people and understand what they want to get the solution for. So it is important for the people also to understand whom you should approach with a particular problem so that you can get a solution, and those who are solving the problem should have a mindset of to give a solution to a particular problem. So problem solving skills cannot be always of a person alone, but it can often depend upon the team, because every in an organization, mostly all the departments are interconnected, so it might depend on a number of people. Yes, so problem solving is very important, and to have that mindset to solve problem is important. Decisiveness combines of various different abilities, such as assess all the relevant information, then anticipate consequences, good or bad, weigh upon options, and to put a perspective which is right or wrong. So a decisive employee will always take a decision well under pressure, and would be ready to accept the consequences of his decision. So yes, it's a very important soft skill to have effective decision making ability. The next soft skill is ability to work under pressure and time management. So many jobs come with demanding deadlines and with high stakes. So you should develop an attitude and an ability to work under pressure, to work under deadlines, before deadlines, to prioritize your tasks so that you manage your time efficiently. And yes, time management skills are very important for a professional, because it's important for you to manage and effectively use your time so that you complete your tasks before the time. And yes, sometimes you need to work under high pressure environment, but you can develop yourself to handle the pressure and the stress at workplace. You need to equip yourself with whatever is required to handle stress and pressure at workplace. You can use different stress management techniques. You can take short breaks to re-energize yourself with the existing pressure. Employers mostly look for employees who are flexible and show willingness to take on new tasks, and showcase an attitude which is very helping and uh, willing to accept new responsibilities and challenges. So yes, flexibility is very important ability an individual should develop. You should always have a attitude which showcases willingness to accept new challenges, so that employers can reach out and consider you for new tasks. So the 10th key most important soft skill is negotiation and conflict resolution skills. So negotiation skills are very important while you're working in a professional climate. You deal with customers and clients, so your negotiation skills play a very important role while fixing some budget or valuing some price of a product or a service. So negotiation skills are very important, and seeking a solution which will benefit both the parties is a very important skill which you have to develop. Good negotiation skills, because you would be approached more by your immediate supervisors while negotiating a client or like that. So next is conflict resolution. So it's very important for you to have resolving conflict resolution skills, because it's important whenever there's a conflict in a team or at workplace. So you should have the skills to resolve the conflict immediately and not hold on to it for a longer duration. So I would like to add the 11th key soft skill which is not mentioned in this list. It is kindness and empathy. So these are not mentioned here, but I would like to add it because it's a need of the hour. Be empathetic with people around you, be kind, and be caring with everyone at workplace. It will not only give you happiness, but it will provide a happiness to everyone around at workplace, and it will help to build a happy and a growing positive culture at workplace. So I hope you guys understood what is the importance of soft skills, why they are important, which are the most important soft skills, and why you should develop these soft skills at workplace. So yes, I hope I try to impart as much knowledge as I had about this. And if you would like to have more such videos on several topics which I can share with you all, please drop in the comment section what topics you would like me to explore and share knowledge with you all. I would be more than happy to share my experiences and my small tips with you all, which can benefit you in your professional career and help you grow as an individual, as a person, both in professional and personal life. So yes, thank you guys. It was nice sharing these small short videos with you all. I really enjoyed making them. I hope you enjoy watching them, and please let me know how did you find this information, was it useful or not. Yeah, take care, bye bye, have a great day guys, keep smiling, and yes, be happy. All the best.